Welcome back, family. I pray that you're having a wonderful day today, that you're taking some time to listen to the Lord for yourself and really cultivating that relationship with Him. It's the most important relationship that we can have, and that is what you need to have the foundation to move forward. Today, God is saying this to you: shifting gears. Now, I kept hearing this in my spirit: it's time, it's time, it's time. And I'm like, okay, Holy Spirit, what are you saying? It's time for what? And then a little while later, then the Lord finished it and He said, it's time to shift gears. Now, this can look different for each one of us, obviously, but a couple of things that the Lord was saying that this could be related to is perhaps you've been going in your business venture in a very specific, consistent way, but God is saying it's time to shift gears in that. Also, for some of you, you've been going and going and going, and God is saying it's time to shift gears and it's time to rest. For others of you, it's going to be just the opposite of that, where you've been resting per instruction of the Lord, but now He's telling you, okay, it's time to shift gears and move. Some of you also it's about where your focus and attention has been previously. God has been slowly showing you something else and telling you, okay, this is the season now where I want you to focus on this thing over here. So as you hear this word, really seek the Lord and say, Lord, I'm ready to shift gears. Put that in the comments. I'm ready to shift gears. Okay. And ask Him, Lord, just direct me. I'm available and I'm willing to follow wherever it is that you're taking me and whatever it is that you have for me to do in this new season. All right. It is time to shift gears. All right. I love you, family. If this ministry has been a blessing to you and you desire to sow a seed, you can do that in the description box. I love you. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon.